when setting up in rule of thirds, it's easy just to visualize with your own eyes in your mind and draw some boxes like I normally do. But if you feel like you need some grids and guidelines, you can do that. Just make sure that you go to view and your rulers are showing. Mine are already showing. And once your rulers are showing, you can take your cursor, watch my cursor, go inside those rulers and click and hold and drag guidelines. These lines will not print. They're just there for your designing time. And I am not measuring where these are going. I'm just kind of eyeing it up, and I probably will change it. But if you could start out with a grid like this, you could start to visualize thirds. Now, I'm going to start, I made some lighters already and they're all turned off. I'm going to start turning them on. So here is a box I made. I can visualize this to be, it could fit this line or I could drag this line back. By making a column, I tend to not want it too big. I want it off to the side and be a little more decorative. And then at the bottom, I like to put something down here. I'm going to turn on my other layer. I have a boat. That would mean my guideline will probably be like right there. And then I don't think I need this guideline. I'm going to throw that away by moving it back. And I don't think I need this guideline. Now you can see my thirds. So these are visual points that I chose because I felt like choosing that. Go and open up my logo I made, put that up there. And that is a good way for your eye to visualize sections. Seeing things in sections will help make them look important and pop them out. One more thing here. Here we go. If everything was all straight in a row, it would look static, it would look boring, or like a birthday invitation. You need to put things in sections and think of your negative space. I have a ton of negative space right here. So negative that I feel like I need to put something in there. I probably would type something there. I'm just not going to do it right now, but you can understand. Or I can make this logo really big, or I can make this boat even bigger to fill up that negative space. And look at that. Now I don't need to type anything. You can see it bleeding off the side here. So when you think of rule of thirds, turn on your rulers and drag your guidelines around. And then decide where you're going to put your 3 sections. Okay,